Hey guys, today we're going to talk about pond cleanouts. So today we're working on this 8x10 pond and we'll walk through some of the key steps that we do during a pond cleanout. First thing is we come in, transfer all the fish over to our holding tank. We try to capture as much of the water as we can. We add protect in here and detoxify any new water that we add. We got some koi fish in here, some goldfish. Then we'll get to work cleaning. So we're going to pull the pump out, pull the filters out, inspect everything, make sure it's all clean and looking like it's supposed to. If there's any issues, we'll take care of those as well. We vacuum out the inside of the skimmer box, make sure the door functions correctly. Give everything a good wash down. This pond we've already pressure washed all the rocks, and now we're just flushing behind the rocks and giving those plants a good cleaning as well. This pond does have lights, so we go through, just look at the lights, make sure that they're all angled correctly, if there's any adjustments that need to be made there. A lot of ponds also have liner that starts to show around the edges, so we bring in some additional gravel to do some touch-ups. So we just literally just come in and add the gravel back, straighten it all up, make it look nice. From the skimmer, we come up to the biofalls. And here you can see Montana's pulling out the bio balls. Those things really work hard to cultivate beneficial bacteria. This is a plant tray that he's working around, so we got rocks and plants up there. This filter pad we've already cleaned, but we're just showing you. We take this out, clean it really good. There's usually two in there, so yep, there's the second one. And then down inside there, we've got the tray for the pad, and then the inside of the biofalls, which we also clean it out really good and vacuum any material out of there. So that's generally a clean out. Once we get that stuff done, we transfer everything back. So detoxified clean water is going to go back into the pond, transfer the fish back into the pond, button it all up. And generally a few hours we're in and out, and you've got a brand new looking pond. So that's it. So again, I'm Aaron, Clean Earth Waterscapes. Thanks for checking out the video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and we look forward to seeing you on the next one.